Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how can we install Terraform in our Windows machine. So first of all, let's go in your browser. I usually use Chrome, Google Chrome, and here I will check Terraform and go to the official website of Terraform. Maybe you can go in downloads directly. So first of all, just check if you already have installed in your Windows machine or not. So let's open Windows PowerShell and run terraform minus version, and it shows that there's no terraform installed in your machine. So first of all, as I am on the Terraform official website, so here you can go down and you can see the releases and for different machines, like for Mac OS, for Windows, for Linux, for any operating system. Also here you can see you can change here, you can select your desired machine. So I'm going here just because I would like to change the release. Maybe I can install Terraform 1.1.9 because 1.28 is the latest one. Maybe there is some problem. So I usually prefer to go to install the version one, like one minor version. So here the minor is 1.1.9. Let's select this one, and I would like to install for Windows. So I can go with AMD 64. Let's see, is it the correct one or no? So it will install the zip. Let's download it in the download folder. Save. Don't worry, my machine language is the Italian one. Yeah, the basic steps you will understand. So let's wait for the installation to finish. Okay, let's show in the folder. Here you go. Just unzip it, extract everything. So here you can provide the path. I will leave as default. Extract. So here is the, so here from here you have to copy this one and go in your C folder. You can create another folder here, maybe Terraform, like new folder. I will create it Terraform, give it the name Terraform, and copy that execution file that I just downloaded. This execution file, copy it and go back to your newly created folder in C is the Terraform and paste it here. So the next step is to put this path in the environment variables. Just search in your Windows search bar, write variables, and you will see environment variables. My language is different as I told you before. So just click this one, and here you will see the environment variables. This will be environment variables. Just click it, and here go in the path and modify it. Here it is modify, and you need to add a new path. So it will be C two dots backslash terraform backslash. I think that's it. Okay, let's verify it once again. It was this one, terraform. Yeah, it was. If you go inside and click here, so you will see C terraform. So I think that is correct. Press OK and OK, OK. So let's see, let's close this PowerShell and open it again. PowerShell. Let's increase the size so you can see. Okay, if I run terraform minus version, and you see it shows the version we just installed, 1.1.9. So yeah, you have successfully installed Terraform in your Windows machine. So that's it. If you have some other problems or any question, just write in the comments and I will respond you over there. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.